Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to share something with you today that honestly feels like one of those rare gems you stumble across when you're not even looking. If you've ever tried to make money online, you've probably gone down the same rabbit holes I have. You've bought shiny tools, complicated systems, expensive courses, and all kinds of guaranteed methods. And most of them either leave you overwhelmed, broke, or just scratching your head wondering what went wrong. I've been there. That's exactly why I want to talk to you today about something different, something that actually makes sense and works if you use it right. It's called the Ultimate PLR Collection. So here's the deal. This isn't some hypey, over-the-top software or the latest affiliate trick. This is a massive bundle of digital products you can actually use, customize, rebrand, and resell as your own. We're talking about private label rights, or PLR for short. If you're not familiar, PLR means you get full rights to use content however you want. You can put your name on it, edit it, turn it into a product, use it as a bonus, create lead magnets. The possibilities are endless. Now, what makes this bundle stand out is the sheer volume and variety of content you get for insanely low price. And I'm not exaggerating when I say the value here is through the roof. This collection includes ebooks in just about every niche you can imagine. Self-help, fitness, make money online, wellness, personal development, even kids' books and coloring books. If you want to start selling or giving away digital products today, you can literally download these, tweak them, and launch them. But it's not just ebooks. You also get a huge video collection. I'm talking done-for-you viral videos, motivational content, drone footage, travel clips, kids' stories, the kind of stuff that works amazingly well for social media, YouTube channels, and content marketing. There are also full video courses and business trainings, all with PLR rights. That means you can sell them, repurpose them into your own brand, or even create a membership site. If you're thinking about launching your own info product business or becoming a product vendor, this could be the easiest way to start. What I really like is that this isn't one of those outdated bundles full of junk content. Everything is modern, useful, and highly marketable. There's also a large selection of quote images, including motivational and Bible quotes. These are gold for Instagram, Pinterest, or Facebook engagement. And the Coloring Pages collection is something I personally didn't expect but found super interesting. Adult coloring books are huge right now, and you can turn these into printable products or even publish them on platforms like Etsy or Amazon. Now, the story behind this is pretty inspiring too. Trevor Carr, the guy behind this collection, actually got started with just one piece of PLR. He bought it for a few bucks, edited it using his own system, launched it, and made thousands. Then he turned that experience into a training called Pimper, which has since done really well. He includes that training as a bonus with this collection, and honestly, that training alone is worth more than the price of the whole thing. What makes this offer feel so accessible is that you don't need any experience to get started. You don't need to create content from scratch, build a website right away, or spend weeks learning how to sell. You can just pick an asset, customize it a bit, and start using it immediately. Whether you want to make affiliate bonuses, create a YouTube channel, sell digital products, or build your list, these PLR assets give you a solid foundation to work with. And because these are all private label rights, you keep 100% of the profit. There are no royalties, no restrictions, and no recurring costs. Just download, brand, and use them however you like. It's rare to find something with this much actual value that doesn't come with a bunch of strings attached. So if you've been stuck trying to figure out how to make your first dollar online, or if you've been spinning your wheels buying course after course, this might be the turning point for you. It's simple, affordable, and it actually gives you tools you can start using right away. I genuinely believe this is one of the smartest ways to start building an online business or scale the one you already have. All right, that's it for this one. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give it a like. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.